Hello, very good evening to you. Well, we've certainly seen some beautiful sunsets in recent days. This one here was taken at Wearham in Norfolk. Big thanks to Kyle Matthews for sending that in to us. Now, the weather story for the next few days, well, still a chance of the odd shower, but for most of us, a good deal of dry weather out there. Some chilly nights to come, though, and we've still got that cold northerly breeze across the region. However, we are expecting it to turn much warmer by the time we get to the weekend. So let's take a look at the bigger picture for the moment. We can see we've got this high pressure here out towards the north of us. That's keeping us mostly dry. So I say mostly as the winds are coming in from a northerly direction, and at times that is dragging in one or two showers. A bit like tonight, the odd light shower here and there, but for most of us actually, it will be dry, some clear skies as we edge overnight, and that will allow the temperatures to tumble, although not as cold as last night, where it dipped down to -3 at Woburn in Bedfordshire, but still close to freezing, so the odd spot of frost in places. So a chilly start to the day tomorrow with a mixture of cloud and sunny spells and quite a chilly breeze too. It's going to be brisker than today. You can see it coming in from the north, and that's going to draw in one or two showers, mainly across eastern areas, really taking the edge off the temperatures too. So we're expecting highs up to around 11 degrees in the lights of Northampton and Peterborough. That's 52 in Fahrenheit, and across the east, especially out towards the coast, there are highs of just 9 degrees in Cromer. So certainly feeling pretty chilly, especially compared to the weekend. And then looking further ahead, well, high pressure still in control. It's going to sink its way further southwards, and what that means is the winds will start to steering from a southwesterly direction, so they will be perking up as we go through the next few days. So all in all, some decent fine weather on the cards. A bit more cloud on Thursday, but then generally dry as we go through the next few days. Bright or sunny spells. The winds will be light and eventually change in direction, so warmer and warmer, and highs there 19 degrees by the weekend. Well, if you are a hay fever sufferer and you're heading out for any exercise this week, the good news is the cooler weather will be keeping the pollen count low in our region on Wednesday and certainly for the next few days. Bye-bye. Hello there. Well, for many of us, it was a chilly, bright start to the day this morning, but there is a lot more cloud across us now. One or two showers here and there, but for most, a dry day to come. Some bright spells in here, but feeling chilly. Highs there, 12 or 13 degrees. Now, as we go through this evening and tonight, a mix of cloud and clear skies. And of course, where we do get the clear skies, it will be turning pretty chilly in places. Hello again. Well, the weather story is fairly quiet for us as we go through the next few days. Still a chance of one or two showers. Of course, there will be some chilly nights to come and those cold winds taking the edge off the temperatures, but a lot of fine weather too, and it will be turning quite warm by the time we get to the weekend. So this is the bigger picture at the moment. We've got high pressure to the north of us, so that is keeping most of us dry. So we're saying most as the winds here coming in from a northerly direction at times are drawing in some showers off the North Sea, which are drifting towards our region. Now for the rest of tonight, well, there will be a few showers around for a time, especially across more northern areas, but generally a lot of clear spells as we edge overnight, and that will allow those temperatures to tumble. So of course there may just be a touch of frost in one or two places, and it will be a nippy start to the day tomorrow. So a mix of cloud and sunny spells on Wednesday morning. We've still got that chilly northerly breeze. In fact, it will be a little brisker than what it has been throughout today, and that's really going to take the edge off those temperatures. Generally we're looking at highs there up to around 11 or 12 degrees, although Hereford could well get up to around 13 degrees. And then as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday, it's a similar setup. We've still got high pressure close by, keeping most of us dry. Still got those chilly winds as we go through Thursday, but then the high pressure sinks its way further south as we go towards the weekend. We'll start to see a change in wind direction, which means plenty of fine weather coming our way by the time we get to Friday and into Saturday. You can see here mostly dry. There will be some bright or sunny spells. The winds will be lighter, and as they change direction, temperatures will be climbing too. So lower still at highs of around 15 degrees on Thursday, could well be up to 19 or 20 by Saturday. Well, if you are a hay fever sufferer and you're heading out for any exercise this week, the good news is the cooler weather will be keeping the pollen count low in our region on Wednesday and certainly for the next few days. Bye-bye.